In this guitar tutorial, I'd like to talk about Inca Dawn. And Inca Dawn is a Trinity College grade initial guitar piece. And Inca Dawn should make you think about the Western and cowboys when you play the piece. Think about a cowboy sitting on the veranda and peering into the distance. Let's have a look at the tempo first. The tempo says not too fast with a marking of 80 crotchet beats per minute. So it's a little bit faster than Andante, let's say around about Andantino. Then we have a 4/4 time signature, so we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, or we are going to play in common time. And this piece as well has this movement where we have to play with our thumb first, and then we are going to have chords, and the chord that we're going to play there is G, B, and E, and those are all open strings. First, second, and third string is open strings. And we're going to use our thumb there as well. So we're going to do thumb, thumb, move, and strum those strings one at a time. We have this thumb, thumb chord that repeats 4 times over. 1, 'Then we're going to have this melody section where we're going to start second string open, followed by A, third string, second fret, then open third string, then back to B, and then finally we're going to use our third finger to play the D, followed again by the chords. Then we have a variance within the melody that we just played. So we're going to start again. B, A, G, A, this time G, G, and the chords again. Now, the next melody is a little bit more trickier. We're going to do B, A, B, 3, G, G, and the chords again. And then E, D, E, G, E, E, and then low E, followed by E for 4 counts at the bottom. So it's not really a very difficult piece to play, but the chords and the movement to play the melodies in between makes it a little bit more challenging. Let's have a look at dynamics. So we're going to start piano. So try to do piano not too soft. Trying to get the chords as smooth as possible. Now mezzo piano a little bit louder to hear the melody a bit more. And mezzo piano still. Mezzo piano continues. Now we're going to have mezzo forte. So medium loud. And now followed by forte until the end. So this piece starts off softly and gets louder and louder and louder until the very end. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and check out any other videos that might be of help. Thanks for watching.